Hi guys, so today I'm going to talk to you about customized look and feel. If you go into the App Manager tab, it'll bring up the Get Started and then go into Customized Look and Feel, which is the third tab along, and from here you can control what your app looks like. So the look and feel, what I'm going to talk about now, and tab order and graphics I'll talk about a bit later. So just scroll down a bit, and from here you can control the colours that are going to be throughout your app. So by simply clicking one of the 7 colour tabs or palettes, it will bring up a colour chooser. And then by scrolling in the big square box, you can pick the shade of the colour you're on. And by scrolling along the side, you can pick the colour you wish. So let's go for a blue. And then we'll go for quite a dark blue, royal blue. And then by simply clicking out, as you can see, it is now changed. And my advice for the navigation bar, if you have a dark colour, you should pick quite a bright navigation title. So by simply clicking the navigation title, we'll just go slightly off-white, perhaps. And then again, by simply clicking out, as you see, it's now saved. Next we're going to talk about row even and row odd. This is for the news section, so that your news really pops out at your viewers. So just, my advice would be row even, perhaps maybe just, let's go for a light shade of grey, not too light, and then by simply clicking out, as you see it changes. And then for the row odd, a slight difference on the original row even colour is quite good. So as you can see, that is what the row even colour is now. And if we just make it slightly off, yeah, looks good. And by simply clicking out, looks good. Now, alternatively, if you know the hexadecimal code for your colour, as you see here, 6-digit code, you can type it in. So, for example, let's pick a grey, so 6. As you can see, 6 C's will now give you grey. And by simply clicking out after you've typed in, this will save it. And next is row title. We're going to just choose a blue here. And this is the heading of your news stories in the module. And as you can see, row description. When I try a white, it's just a little too subtle. So we're just going to go for a slightly off black. So that just jumps out at you a bit. To save your theme, as you'll see, save look and feel, there's a button at the top, and save look and feel underneath the phone. And by clicking that, look and feel saved successfully. If you don't do this, you will lose your theme. That is the look and feel part of the customizer. So nextly we're going to tab order, which is here. And this will bring up this screen. And this screen is for ordering the tabs in the desired order you wish. And by simply hovering the mouse over, you see a hand, and grab. You can put them in whatever order. Move it up here, move bio down, move blog across, so that you have full control of where you wish everything to be. And like with look and feel, saving tab order, tab saved successfully. So we'll scroll down. And you may want to rename blog. So by simply clicking on blog, the writing, let's name it my blog and change name. And as you can see there, let's change this to radio and video. So that's by simply clicking, you see a hand pointing, and click the video and vid and change name. and we'll save the tab order, and my blog, radio and vid, and that is tab order. So if we scroll up and go into graphic, and the graphic tab is where you can upload header graphics in place of your navigation bar that we dealt with in look and feel, or background images for certain modules that you may wish to put a background image for, or even one image that will be constant throughout your whole entire app. So let's first start with the header graphic for your iPhone or your Android. Now, as you can see, it's 960 pixels by 88 pixels. Now this sounds quite large. The reason for that is because it has to stretch the whole length of the iPhone or Android if it's in landscape mode. Let's upload an image. Now firstly we'll create an image and we'll just take a screenshot. We'll go for quite a large image, and as you can see it's saved there. There it is. And we'll just rename it to be test header, and we'll go back into our browser and upload image, and desktop test header, open it, and it's uploading. And as you can see, we did it too big, so we can choose where we'd like the test header to be. So we'll crop it there, crop and save image, and that's what it looks like. So now if we scroll up and go back to look and feel, the original blue that we had has now changed to the image we've uploaded. And now with your iPad image, it's the exact same way as previously, but rather than being 960 by 88 pixels, it's 1024 by 88 pixels. This is for the wider iPad screen. So then down to background images. So as you can see, use the same background image for all widgets. It's unticked here, and use different background images for each widget. Now if you use the same background, you upload one image and that is consistent throughout your whole app. Now if you go use different background images for each widget, you get to choose which image you want in which widget, and you can upload several different images. As you can see, it is 640 pixels by 960 pixels in size. So we're just going to create another one just to upload in the events. So show screen, and we'll take a screenshot. Let's go for really big just to make sure. And then rename it test 2. And then come back into our browser and upload image, and there's test 2, and open test2.png, uploaded. And as you can see, it's too large, like with the header, so we will pick there, and then scroll down, crop and save image, and there you go. And by simply clicking delete, are you sure? Yes. Scrolling down, it's gone. And that is how you change the look and feel, the tab order, and the graphics in your app. Thanks for watching. Cheers.